Saving a file in Photoshop. Follow the below steps to save a Photoshop document. Step 1. Click on the file, go to Save option from the application bar or press the Ctrl+S keys. The Save As dialog box will appear. Step 2. Select a location for the file and type a name for the file in the File Name box. Step 3. Select a file format from the Save As Type box. Step 4. Click on the Save button. Closing a file and exiting Photoshop. Like other applications, Photoshop CC also has the same options to close a file after you finish working on it. Follow the below steps to close the file and exit the Photoshop window. Step 1. Select the file, go to Close option from the application bar to close the file. Step 2. Select the file, go to Exit option. The Photoshop window will be closed.